A home for 3 generations by 100A associates in SEO-GU, South Korea. In a secluded, detached residential area located near a golf course past the crowded hecticness of urban Greater Seoul, our clients decided to build a home to experience the healing and leisure of nature one cannot experience in metropolitan life. They needed a residential space in which 3 generations could come together and nurture one another's well-being, while leading an independent life. Through spatial programming, we aimed to reflect their values while architecturally forming a direct connection with the terrain, and implementing a calm architectural form possessing gravitas that is visually disconnected from neighboring residential spaces, like a refined fragment carved on nature's horizon. This was a result of reflecting our sincerity as we held in consideration that this space was the grounds for fostering order through the relationship between the terrain, architecture, and the family, as well as a site 3 generations will come to domiciliate. Upon opening the main entrance, the space was designed to facilitate entering the interior of the space through the courtyard. It plays the role of drawing in light and a serene atmosphere. If one, along with light, follows the deep pathway of the foyer, the captivating scenery of wide-open nature and a living room with a high ceiling is met. The perspective of the family's common space on the first floor connects to the landscape of the golf course, facilitating the feeling of multifaceted, 3-dimensional expansion, and the texture of nature engraved on the wall, unfamiliar for the trim and tidy space, is a vestige of adoration for nature. Ascending the stairs leads to an area designed to have each of the spaces for the grandparents, parents, and children separated. The long, extended hallways of each floor carry the elegance of light through the courtyard, and while distinguishing each family member's personal space, they act as a buffer medium to connect each family member's space to nature. Additionally, the large and small frames in each space, open toward nature, portray the beautiful continuity of nature on a simple and clean background. This residential space is a space in which residents can revel in the healing and leisure of nature as well as peer into one another's safety. We hope this becomes a space of peaceful times, in which their conversations permeate the terrain as the convergence of scattered perspectives through the connection of nature, and the terrain deepens their bonds.